I hope I'm in frame right here because the GoPro is hanging underneath my controller or my transmitter. Yeah, this is a Savage 25. I bought it last year for I think it was like 125 bucks. Came with the HPI Nitro Star 25, of course the original 25 that came with this truck. Oh yeah, that SH is loving it. Where those people are with the bicycles, I didn't know that there was like the edge of it. I was like, why did my truck has fallen down there? And yeah, it was like a two. It was like about this deep. I didn't know that. That was like a tiny clip or whatever y'all want to call it. But anyway, I'm just gonna be quiet now and listen to the sound of this nitro engine on the Savage.
The Savage is on the rock crawler!
I don't give a fuck. I wish I can upload this video, but the Savage I owned before this, going with the titanium chassis now with my buddy Texas Hill Country owns right now. I think I was like 2 years ago that I was going full speed, like a third gear, I think going like 40, 45 miles an hour onto this edge of grass right here. Yeah, it did like a forward momentum backflip. I'll see if I can find it in one of my other SD cards so that way I can upload it and that way y'all can see it. That was like 2 years ago. I didn't know why I didn't post it. Yeah, I guess some people, so we gotta be careful. Woo! And that's why we gotta be careful. There's some people right there. We don't want to go too far. In case I didn't heard, a Porsche just passed by. Careful because there's some kids coming towards me, so gotta be careful not to hit them by accident. concept, they're just as heavy as a Proline trench reactors, one of those big monster truck tires from Proline. And guess what? The SH28, or let's call it P8 now, is having no issues flipping over its lid. I get the comments a bunch of times that, dude, these tires are too heavy for the truck. So I don't care. I don't care at all. It's my shit. I can do whatever the hell I want. I think some people are just checking out, see what I'm doing. Now, if I build myself a couple ramps, or some big ramps, that'll be very badass to stand thing flying high in the sky. Oh! Woo! Now you guys just saw my Savage flip over its lid. It happened to the other Savage, as I said, mentioned a couple of years ago, that it did a full front flip. So once again, I'm gonna try to find the video and maybe upload it on YouTube. Hopefully my buddy Texas Hill doesn't get pissed at me. Dude, what the fuck is in my truck? Okay, gotta be careful. Oh my gosh, why are you torturing your Savage like that? You guys are realizing that the Savage is basically an RC monster truck, right? And so I don't see why people bitch and complain about things that, you know, we do. Like, for example, like I splashed my Savage a couple of times in the puddle of water. Yes, the engine did like heat up a bit, but I just don't know why some people bitch and complain. I'm giving out a nice look of this Savage 25. Yeah, the Savage is a beast. Alright, so recording. So I got like about 10 minutes in the running, because I was actually running the Savage before I put y'all on recording. But yeah, check out this beast. Yeah, I know it's dirty, but I'm gonna clean it up when I come home. Actually, a fact about this body, I see where it says Mamba, is because like it usually come from my low C LMT and stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, like that truck kept wheeling like crazy, and that was when I did not have a wheelie bar, which is why this tailgate is like ripped off. So, or actually, it was like destroyed. That I decided just to cut it off, and yeah, actually, it looks like a badass mud truck with those monster truck tires on this thing. And yeah, and I said I like it. I like it the way how it looks. I'll keep bashing until this body is like completely destroyed or completely useless. But yeah. Anyway guys, now we're gonna hit next with a Carbon Twinzilla.